Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am going to share with you my fall tour for 2019, my family room. Now as you enter my family room, the first thing you see is this table. And I participated in a collaboration. I will have it iCard above, but I wanted a focal point as you walk in, and this table makes a statement. It screams fall. I have my flameless candles sitting on some tall candle holders. Have my pumpkins all around. You know that's me when you see those pumpkins and foliage. Have that Family Dollar famous plate, one of them. My welcome to our home, the Wi-Fi password sign that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and more pumpkins and foliage. And of course I have to say, because a lot of pieces in my home, I find them at garage sales or yard sales or in my thrift stores that I love to frequent. And this table is a garage sale find from my previous home, my neighbor, for just $10. And it is a heavy console table that she actually picked up at a hotel. They were getting rid of furniture. Now moving over from this console table, you see this set here, which is also a thrifted find. I like to have a lot of seating in my home because one, we are a big family, and when we entertain, we have plenty of seats. But let me share with you what I did on this table. I have this candle holder that I've had, I can probably say, for at least 15 years. Those tea lights, 6 tea lights. And I don't think I will ever get rid of that. This movie box was also a thrifted find. And I just placed pumpkins and foliage all around this box. These red pumpkins, the touch of brown, I found last year at Bell's Outlet. Now over here on this sofa by my window, I kept it simple. Can you believe it? I did not fill my sofa up with pillows. I just placed these in the corner, just one on the sofa because we do utilize this room a lot. But I wanted these pillows from Big Lots that said grateful, thankful, blessed. Had to have them. Had to have them. And I have a throw underneath there because I kind of keep it chilly in the house. I get hot easily. So I have throws around pretty much all year around. And if you notice, the throw matches my pumpkins. I ordered that throw from Amazon. It's like a sweater throw, and it mimics these pumpkins that I picked up a couple of years ago from Target. And I don't think I've used these pumpkins, and I've had them probably 2 or 3 years, but they fit perfectly with that sweater throw. And I just added another pick with my burgundy sunflower and another piece of foliage from the Dollar Tree, and that's it. Very simple. Now over here is my movie bar. I kept it simple over here as well. I did remove the chip holder because I need to go to the grocery store to fill it back up. Oh, but other than that, everything else is in place. Now the picture, the lamp minus the shade, and the popcorn holders, which are ceramic. And I almost forgot, that ginger jar was Thrifted Finds. Now you already saw my fireplace because I did a decorate with me and participated in a mantle challenge, and I didn't change it at all. All I did, I took the wreaths off of my gates and let them go bare. I didn't want too much fuss on this fireplace. Now in the corner of my family room, you've seen this piece before. This is a armoire that I thrifted for just $50. Yes, $50. So I decided to decorate the top of this armoire for fall. When I decorate for fall, I love to decorate around my home decor and just add fall garlands and pumpkins and acorns and gourds and candles. I love candles. Those candles are flameless. That sign I had for many years, but it was not like that. I just painted over it and added lettering that says Hello Fall. That burgundy pumpkin is a DIY pumpkin that I did on the channel. And just like adding the different types and different sizes of pumpkins and different foliage. And the top of this came out amazing. And in this corner, hubby and I went into Big Lots, and they finally had this chair to go with this ottoman. Now, when I purchased this set, the sofas, I was in hopes to come across this chair, and it took a minute to get this. And so happened to go in Big Lots, and I just asked, I said, do you have these chairs in stock? Because online they're showing that they're out of stock. Don't know when they're gonna get them in. So I just so happened to ask, and the lady said, let me check. There is one in the back. And I told her we want it. So I finally completed my set. I had the ottoman already, and I'm loving this. So now I want to zhuzh up this corner, especially for the holidays. So we'll see what we will do. But for now, I threw my thankful pillow on this chair with a throw, a off-white throw, and it just pops just with that. I took one of my C tables and placed it over here with that thrifted lamp that I found at my local SPCA thrift. And I just placed some fall picks and foliage around my books that I love so much that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Now that pumpkin is also a thrifted find that I've had for several years. This is a corner that we can come to and just sit in and read a book and kick our feet up and watch a movie or a football game and just get comfy or even take a nap. And that picture above with the scripture came from Hobby Lobby. And this is the sofa in front of that console table. Just a simple pillow, that same pillow that I picked up from Big Lots. And my coffee table, and you've seen that as well. This coffee table was also a thrifted find. And I just placed two candles, candle holders on here. Kept it simple because again we utilized this room. So I didn't want too much fuss. And I have candles here, a candle holder here, pumpkin candle holder with all types of foliage and pumpkins. So this is my fall family room tour. for 2019. I hope that this was some inspiration for you. You don't necessarily have to go out and buy fall decor. You can decorate with foliage and pumpkins and decorate around the items or the decor that you already have. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope that you decide to stay with the Diva family, because that's what you will be if you join the Diva family or become a part of the Diva family. It's simple to do. All you need to do is push that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. To all of my faithful and returning Diva family members, I love you guys so much, and I am so grateful, I'm so thankful and blessed that you are a part of this family here. Don't forget to follow me on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Those social media site links will be listed in my description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.